cricket, it's not only a sports for people of South Asia. For them, it's a life. And our Bangladesh will start their T20 campaign tomorrow against Sri Lanka. So as I am extremely fond of cricket, yesterday night I thought I should make a video about this. And today in this video, I would love to talk about this year's ICC Men's T20 World Cup. Okay, so first of all, my name is Porosh. I'm a student. You may know me if you are regular viewers of my video. Okay, so I don't think I should go on more on that. Okay, so here I go. Okay, so it's the first time 20 teams will play in this year's ICC T20 World Cup, and it's a good decision that took by ICC because most of the time, the teams like Oman, Nepal, Namibia, they even don't get chance to play big team like Australia, India with them. So it's a good decision that took by ICC. And at yesterday night, USA won against Pakistan. Who thought USA will win against Pakistan? It was a great match, and I was really enjoy that match very much. I watched that match with my brother. Okay, so and this year's ICC Men's Cricket World Cup is playing in the US and West Indies. So it's a good decision because ICC want to spread the cricket popularity in all over the world. Most of the time we saw that a World Cup is going at South Asia or Australia or at England, but this year's ICC, I think, made a great decision to held this World Cup at USA and West Indies, and I really appreciate that decision. Okay, so tomorrow Bangladesh will play their first match against Sri Lanka, and I'm extremely wait for this because I think Bangladesh have a better chance to win this match if their opening performer two batsmen will give them a good start, because opening is the good position. If openers give Bangladesh a good start, then it will be very easy for the middle orders and the lower order batsmen. And if Bangladeshi bowler do well tomorrow, then Bangladesh have a better chance. And Sri Lanka is also a good team. They have a strong squad. They have pacers like Matisha Patira, Natushara. They even bowl 140 plus. So it will be quite challenging for Bangladeshi batsmen to score runs. But I think if everything goes well, Bangladesh have a better chance than Sri Lanka in tomorrow's game. Okay, so let's talk about some weak teams. In this year's World Cup, we saw that a lot of weak teams also have chance to play this T20 World Cup. I don't think that they are weak. They play well, but maybe they have lack of experiences. So that's why maybe they even don't get the pressure of this big event. But I think if these kinds of weak team like Nepal, Namibia, Oman, if they continuously playing tournament like this, even they will, they will give challenge big teams like India, Australia, New Zealand. Okay, so so let's talk about the big rivalry in cricketing history, which is India versus Pakistan. Okay, so it will 9th June when Pakistan will take India. It will be a very rivalry game. Pakistan and India games always are very firing match. All cricket fans actually waiting for this match for a long time, as these both team even don't play any kind of series from 2013. So that's why people are greatly waiting to see their matches in ICC events, and it's will be a great match between them. And I'm also a big fan of this rivalry, and I'm greatly waiting to see these matches. Okay, so I think as I'm a Bangladeshi fan, I'm more interested to watch Bangladesh match tomorrow. Maybe Bangladesh match will start 6:30 a.m. I need to wake up 6 a.m. and then getting fresh myself, and I will sit it down for watch this exciting match against Sri Lanka. And nowadays Bangladesh Sri Lanka match is always attractive. There is always twist in these matches between these two teams, and hope that Bangladesh will do well. And cricket is the world's most second popular sport, so it has 2.5 billion fans in all over the world. So maybe that's why cricket is the second most largest and popular game in the world. and it's getting popular day by day in all over the world. The country who even don't know what's cricket, they also now interested in playing cricket. So it's the good for cricket, and ICC even nowadays taking some great decision in this regard. They are trying to spread the cricket all over the world, so it will be get some good results for uh, cricket, and I'm greatly waiting for tomorrow's match. Okay, so I don't want to make it more longer. Thanks for watching. All the best.